Hello, my name is Richard Wood. It's the 17th of November 2013. As usual, I'm going to quickly summarise the events of the global financial markets for the week just gone and take a look at the coming week ahead. Last week, Janet Yellen had her confirmation hearing as she's due to be appointed chairwoman to the Federal Reserve. The market interpreted her comments to be fairly dovish and caused expectations of when the tapering of quantitative easing will begin to be pushed back. In the Eurozone, growth figures for Q3 were at 0.1%. That's a weak reading and has heightened speculation that continued and further loose monetary policy is likely to be pursued by the ECB. In Japan, we had annualised GDP figures for Q3. The number was 1.9%, and that's against a Q1 figure of 4.3% and a Q2 figure of 3.8%. And see a downward trend in that GDP number. Again, that's causing speculation that the Bank of Japan will have to provide further stimulus to try and get some continued growth within their economy. So really the running theme is, which central bank is going to have the loosest monetary policy over the next 12 months or so, and that's what's driving the markets at the moment. The effects of those various news items that I've just given you was that the yen was the weakest performing of the major currencies, and the dollar performed fairly poorly also. Stocks were up again, and bond yields hardened as bond prices went up. In terms of trades, still long on the US dollar against the Japanese yen from the 27th of October. Price has now broken out of a triangle pattern, which I did a blog article on a few days ago. I've moved my stop loss up to 0.9960 to lock in some profits, but I'm hoping this can develop into a nice uptrend and make some more money out of that trade. In terms of other ideas, we're looking for opportunities to be long stocks, looking for more potential short positions in the yen. The pound was strong last week, and the pound US dollar has been in a fairly tight trading range over the last few weeks. So I'll be watching that closely to see if there's any buy or sell signals from the boundaries of the range, or indeed a breakout of that trading range. In terms of news items next week, there's only a few big news items, but some of them could be pretty major events. On Tuesday, we've got a German sentiment survey, so we can see what people are thinking about the German economy. Wednesday, we've got US CPI figures, and also the minutes of the last Fed meeting are released. That's potentially a big event, and the market will be watching closely to see what's contained within those minutes. Thursday night, we've got the Bank of Japan rate decision. As I just mentioned, people are expecting or starting to anticipate that the Bank of Japan might provide further stimulus. So watch the commentary surrounding that rate decision to see if there's any clues about further easing. And then finally on Friday, we round off with Canadian CPI figures. So as I said, not that many big news items, but a couple of potential big market movers: the Fed board minutes and the commentary surrounding the Bank of Japan rate decision. If you're trading this week, good luck. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.